welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's Purple Post Day today. This is a painting from an artist that I actually don't have a painting of already, or by them already. I don't know why. There will be more added to my stash soon, that I can assure you. But yeah, I have a painting from Diamond Art Studio UK, and I slip them out like this, and then I faff about taking this off gently and saving the paper later. Great for recycling and wrapping gifts. But anyway, I digress. So this painting is from an artist where I don't currently have one in my stash yet, but she does have some amazing pieces, and I will pop a link to the artist page where you will find this as well as the other amazing pieces. But this is by Vicky Davidson. I say, I don't know why I haven't had one of hers in my stash yet. There's just so many pretty things on Diamond Art Studio UK that I definitely keep getting distracted. But this one is Elyse, and I love how, you know, you can see that her art has been done with paint. This one has a stunning 40 different colours. Look at all those gorgeous oranges, peaches, burgundies. Yeah, so this comes with a sticker sheet. We have got some 310. 3371 is probably the other darkest colour. Oh, we've got some 939 as well. But yeah, 40 different colours in this one. It is a 50 by 60. This one is available in round or square, but I do have the square one because Sam knows I love square. I love square paintings. You can choose to get this with or without a toolkit. I always choose without, that little bit to save the environment. But also, you know, I just use my own, so I don't need a toolkit. But if you do need one, if you've, you know, used those toolkits, or maybe you're new to diamond painting, you haven't diamond painted before, and therefore you need a toolkit, you have got that option. It lets you choose which you want. But yeah, I thought this art was just, it's stunning. It's just absolutely stunning. I love the colours, I love the background. It's not very often I do faces in paintings. It's not very often that I will pick a painting that has a face. It's not that I don't like them. I normally prefer ones without a face, but there are the odd ones with a face, whether that be cartoon, whether it be painting, whether it be a real photograph. There is the odd ones that do catch my attention, and they're the ones that I tend to pick up. And Elyse captured my attention. Just that, I don't know, it's that look of, I don't know. It's hard to describe. There's a few different looks that I can see in her face, and a lot of it I think depends on my mood as much as anything else and my own interpretation. But yeah, I thought the image itself, the colourings were absolutely gorgeous. You do get, of course, a lot of diamonds. So there is a lot of 310. Mainly in her hair, in her afro, there is a lot of 310. That is mixed in with 3371 for highlights, and then there is also some other colouring in there as well for the shading. But I think the colours are just stunning. I'm trying to see how many bags of 310 there are. There is 4 bags of 310. There's only 1 bag of 3371 though. So you have got in here your bags of 310, that's your bag of 3371. But we've got otherwise gorgeous oranges, which of course will bring in on the background. You've got your gorgeous peaches, your paler browns, which bring in the likes of the skin tone. And then you've got some more beiges. Is that even a word? Beige type colours to bring in for her top. But yeah, just sitting there with, you all need to sit there with your hand on your elbow, with your little finger out, and see what thought pose it makes you think of. But yeah, I just thought it was beautiful, and it deserved a place in my stash, to be honest. A little bit different, as say, to what I normally do. I don't normally do paintings with faces. Haven't got anything against them, they're just not normally what attracts my attention, but this one did. And maybe it's because of the look on her face, I'm not sure. But yeah, I will be adding more Vicky Davidson to my stash at some point, that is for sure. So of course I will link her full collection with Diamond Art Studio at the moment, and of course you can check back to see when she releases more. But the colours in there are beautiful. Oh, look at that blue. Oh, that comes in, I think, in her eyeshadow. Well, there's a little bit by her eyes. There is also some in her hair as well, some of that blue. But if you have a look, it's the way the brush strokes are on the actual painting itself, and that's what's depicted and pulled out, and you can see in the diamond painting. But yeah, I love it. I love it. That's basically a lot of what I can say. It caught my attention for all the right reasons, and therefore it has made it to my stash. I'm trying to think if there's any other colours I want to take a closer look at. I love some of these gorgeous oranges for the background as well. I do really think it sets off the painting ever so well. This is one of them. These are them that's caught my eye. Though of course there will be others mixed in as well. But the 3 shades of orange, which we've actually got 740, 970 and 946. So they're not close to each other in the DMC list, but they are definitely close to each other in tones. And in fact there's even some more here, which I'm not sure if they're in the background or in the skin tone. I'm not sure. That's 721. So that one's even just another tone of orange. Multiple tones, and I love it when there's multiple tones, because I often find that it smooths together even better when there's multiple shades of the same colour. But with 40 colours, I think you get enough of a selection, and just the way the shading is on her top, which there is on the painting as well, but just the way it is showcased in the actual diamond painting is amazing. And I think the skin tones that have been done in this painting as well, both the painting and the painting, are really, really good. So yeah, this is Elyse. I think I'm pronouncing that right. But this is Elyse by Vicky Davidson, and this is an exclusive through Diamond Art Studio UK. It is licensed artwork, and I will pop a link to Vicky Davidson's art pieces, so that you can have a look for yourself. Have a guess which one of hers you think is going to be next on my list to add to my stash. Let's see if you get it right. If you think, I already know which one it is, so I'm not changing it, but there is another one of hers that I do want to add to my stash, so let me know which one that you think that is below. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching and having a look at my new painting with me, with the same, hopefully the same level of excitement that I have. I love Purple Post Day. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.